Here at Better Bite Dental Laboratory Limited, we provide affordable, durable dentures to patients across Bristol and the surrounding area. Whether you're a private or NHS patient, we can help with a range of dental services. From construction and repairs to gum shields and retainers, our fully qualified technicians are here for all of your dental needs. Because we are committed to continually investing in the quality and finish of our dentures and dental prosthetics, we have invested in CAD CAM software, offering high-precision crown and bridge work with in-house milling available. Perhaps you're the owner of a dental practice or an individual looking for dental prosthetics. We want you to experience the precision accuracy of our innovative and industry-leading software. We also provide comprehensive aftercare to optimize the longevity of your dentures. Whether your current prosthetics don't fit comfortably or you need a bespoke solution for sporting or prescriptive needs, our work is tailored to you and the unique shape of your mouth. With over 25 years of experience, competitive prices and free quotations available, you're in excellent hands with Better Bite Dental Laboratory Limited. Get in touch with us today and let's add a shine to your smile.